Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don't talk same government dey construct the state-owned School of Health Technology to meet international standards. Obaseki talked this round during the check of the State School of Health Technology for Ikpebawaka local government area of Edo State. Obaseki talk say government get ogbonge plan for healthcare for the state and government must ensure say the institution wey dey responsible to train healthcare workers must meet international standards.
It was built about 64 years ago, or established about 64 years ago, to provide middle-level manpower to support our healthcare system. With the revamp, the restructuring of the healthcare system today, we're emphasizing primary healthcare. And the institution that trains the manpower required for primary healthcare, the primary healthcare system, is supposed to be the School of Health Technology. So for us as government, given the quality we're aspiring to in terms of the provision of care at the primary level, we want to make sure that the institution that trains and prepares our staff to work in the primary healthcare system is of international standard. We also see opportunity in training our people for work abroad. There's quite a huge shortage of intermediate medical personnel, particularly in Europe, and we've been approached. So we want to make sure we build a facility or a school that can pass the test, of international certifications for training manpower for, the primary and intermediate level of our healthcare system.
Obaseki when talk say the environment and building for the school no sweet in belle at all. Constantly talk say.
Well, you have seen for yourself. What's your impression? Well, how can you train health workers in an environment like this? It's a joke. And we can't continue with the joke. It's too expensive. So we have to do what we need to do. When we went to Igboreki, it was about the same. So we have a model for revamping and restructuring our educational institutions. And in the the first quarter of next year, you'll see what we will do. Whatever we need to do to reposition the school, we will do.
Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. But can I remember say your PVC and your power? No, I'm giving the politicians an election day.